What's happening, everybody? Richdog51 here, back in the Studio 51. We needed a new speed control for the Party Jeep. This is my daughter's rig. It had an old system in there. It's just not quite cutting anymore. It's glitching out, stalling out here and there. So we have an update from Hobbywing. It sent us one of the new AXE ESC and motor combination. From all the videos I've seen so far on the testing, this thing looks pretty sweet. So I'm stoked. We're going to pop the lid off this thing right here. Get rid of some of the skateboards and the dog. Yeah, here we go. There you go. So yeah, we're going to pull this old system out. I'll bring the camera up in a little closer and we'll do a little install video and then some testing here and there. We'll go up and downhill and check full throttle and all that type of fun stuff. So bear with me. We'll go into a little bit of fast travel time lapse and we'll pull this motor out and speed control and put this motor and speed control in. I'll bring the camera in and we'll get some close-ups on all this. Alright, man. Hold on. Here we go.
Get ready. It's time to go fast.
What up, everybody? We're back. We got this thing all wired up. Hope that didn't take too long. I was trying to be as fast as possible. So yeah, next step, we'll get this thing powered up and do a couple little test runs here and there and maybe break out the carpet ramp, see what she's got. Alright, let's do it to it.
This is testing out an unreleased prototype system.
Slice.
I'm multitasking. Alright, and that's a wrap. So we got a little test run in out on the old prop horse right out in front of SOS Studios. This system is amazingly smooth. Probably one of the smoothest I've driven. Yeah, probably one of the smoothest brushless systems I've driven. It's very precise at low throttle. It gets up and goes too. So with a single speed transmission, I'm totally pleased with it, especially for this truck with the slow speed. You know, getting some video shots is going to be awesome with this thing. So yeah, very pleased with it. I'm going to keep running it. I'll get it out onto some real rock, maybe out flat rock or clover scale, get some good video footage of it. And other than that, yeah, everything's awesome. Super small, nice tight. Not a lot of wires, no BEC to deal with, so that's great. And I got an on and off switch. You gotta love that, but always disconnect those LiPos. Alright guys, you have a good one.